Alright, here's the John Deere GX 345 after I did it in the first video, sanded it with 1,000 grit and 2,000 grit, and then just got done polishing using, so I don't know, got this plastic clear cleaner polish, and then first used the microfiber, and then a little bit more polishing pad using this Bauer 6-inch polisher. I think this one gets up to, well, it says 6,400 OPMs, whatever. So that's what I used. Still some blemishes, but turned out pretty good. I didn't polish this side with the foam pad, but I did the top and this side.